gotta always remember where you hide them.
And suddenly there were 2 cars facing me. I was a bit fed up with Italy already. Welcome to a new video. We are in Italy and the roads are terrible. It's Easter Sunday, so we've decided to do an Easter egg hunt. We're gonna take it in turns. First I'm gonna hide the eggs and then Paul will hunt, and then the other way around. Last night we also painted eggs. That's Paul's, that's mine. Paul's got a sun on the back. I've got, well, a world on the bottom, a bike, a flamingo, and a llama. But the motorhome's best. Anyway, gonna hide that as well. Paul's gonna stay here and not look outside. I'm gonna hide the stuff in here. We're done.
Come in here.
I'm not allowed to come in?
No.
Oh, are you
Stay
doing
there.
it? Well, I'm done.
Yes.
And I saw you peeking.
I wasn't peeking. I was hiding. Here.
That's good. I saw a deer, well, a doe, but she was on the other end of the orchard, quite far away from me. And at the beginning, she didn't seem to care that I was there. But I couldn't, like, get the camera because it was kind of strapped at the other end of the orchard. And if I moved too much, she would have run away, and she did.
So Hayley is gonna go read her book, do her coffee, and see you later. Even though I was just meant to drink my tea, I was not inactive because I was like, well, actually, I've just done for myself and I can hide all these eggs. And I'm gonna quickly show you that you know where they are, and then you can see how Hayley is running past them all the time. So, let's have a look. For me, normally that means I'm gonna hide them in plain sight, but still somehow hidden, if you get me. 1. Marzipan egg. 3, 4, 5, 6. One also gotta always remember where you hide them. I remember my mom always used to forget where she hid her things, and then I would find them in October or something. I think this one is so mean. And then we have one here, one over there, one in there, and one in there. Then in the bathroom, one in here, and one in there. Maybe I changed that one actually, hold on. Change it to there. One over there, the back. One is there. And I'm very happy with this one. She either might get it right away or she might never get it. Just to make clear, right? You look from here normally and you can't see that thing at all. You really have to come around there. I think it's a good one. Yeah, I think that's all. Actually, I'm looking at one more. Duh. And since Hayley is small, she might never ever look there. And then there's all those, but they're not hidden. They're just nice. Let's get Hayley. Ready?
Yeah.
Me too.
Okay. Do you want to hunt first?
Okay. Where's my area?
The orchard. So
the whole orchard.
Yeah.
And how many meters away from the tree still? Like to the left, for example?
Not.
Not. So it's just between the trees.
Yeah. Yeah, this one Paul saw me putting.
No, I did not. I was just looking at my own hiding places. But if it is like this, then yours is gonna be much harder. 3.
They're not all in the trees.
Infested with ants already.
Oh! I do not, however, remember where I put everything. over there is where I saw the doe.
See, it's also super easy because I know Haley is not gonna go and climb up the trees, and Haley is small. Have I missed some already?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh. Do I go back now?
If you close your eyes, I can show the camera.
I can look away.
Paul's now going back to try and find the ones he missed. You just missed it again.
That tree there.
Not on the tree. And you've just walked past it a third time. And a fourth time.
Wow. I'm not sure how I find them. The problematic thing is you don't know where they are. Like cool how they lie there, no?
Haha, I can point the camera right here and Paul will come and look at it. Because there might be something.
You're just joking me now.
Well, it seems like it could be all.
You think I didn't miss anything?
I have no clue. How many eggs do you have?
How many brown eggs?
8.
8.
Well, then there's 4 brown eggs left somewhere.
Nice.
I think they're all in trees. Well, here's one. And here's another. I was just going to watch the film back and follow my steps. And I stumbled across this.
Wasn't in a tree.
Paul made me stay here. I'm not allowed to go in yet.
Haley's turn. You lads know where it is. See how often Haley runs past it. As I told them as well, I normally hide things in plain sight. As if you find that first. I think this one is so mean. Oh, very good. Where was that?
Here.
Very good, very good.
I found that one. And I can't reach that one.
See how well. This I have to break once very hard.
Wait, there is in the bathroom?
Yes.
Ooh, I found my egg. My little Momo. There's still my bunny somewhere.
Your bunny is still somewhere, that's true.
Oh, you're so funny. Right when I say it. Get to Paul's perspective.
Paul's perspective.
Well, I'm now just a bit taller than you. This is not plain sight.
Yeah, I must have just felt like it.
Oh, one of them's there. So I've only got one left.
One left.
Yeah.
But then I don't know where that is.
Because that one is stuck in there. It's gotta be here.
On the bed?
Bench.
No bench.
Up.
Up.
Ah.
Easter egg hunt completed!
Yeah. We got it!
We did some laundry. I always love it. The whole van is full of laundry. Everywhere. Everything full of laundry. Da. Laundry, 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 laundry. Laundry. And in the back. Laundry. Everywhere. Laundry.
Guys, we had a really beautiful spot for tonight. However, it was awful except for a really unlevel bit, and we were waiting for everyone to leave, but the cars that are there, the people are going camping, which means we can't sleep there, we can't cook there, we can't be in the van there. And so we now, at about 8 o'clock in the evening, have to find another place.
We haven't had supper, we haven't even cooked. We don't know where we're gonna sleep tonight.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we're going to go into Genoa. There's not many parking options. This was one of the few. It's full of packed. And now we're just gonna drive into Genoa and see what's happening. There's a couple of spots, but they weren't really the best options.
Fingers crossed we have somewhere to sleep tonight. We found a spot. It's right next to a train station, which is good for us to get into city, but not good because, well, there's trains going past. Most of this space says cars. Someone did say that they got fined here, but we're hoping we don't get fined. We are in the one area full of vans. It doesn't have a car on the sign. It's after 9. But luckily, we were able to stay at the first place. The Italians don't believe that a 2-lane road should be a 2-lane road. They make it into a 3-lane. This road is fairly wide, fairly comfortable, right? But they squeeze together and drive over the line.
So there was a guy who just drove past here whilst there was sort of oncoming traffic as well. Don't matter.
Yeah, he overtook me because he wanted to get further to the front.
Then sometimes people are just going to the side so that another person can fit next to them. I mean, it doesn't make a difference. We're still stuck.
We're still in a traffic jam.
There it happens again. There's a red light, but for some reason we decided to do 2 lanes there for a bit.
When we first joined this road, I thought it was 2-lane and the marking had just kind of faded somehow. But now I'm starting to think it wasn't actually a 2-lane.
I mean, it's okay, they can drive however they want in their country. Who are we to tell them? It's just that we feel a little bit unsafe and wonder how safe they are on their road. Wait, so we're at a traffic light. This guy just came from there and just shot in. This guy just shot in from there too and just crossed right over and stands there now on the pavement.
And suddenly there are 2 cars facing me.
Some very official parking spots here. And sometimes next to a car there will be another wee bike or a wee motorbike or another car just like that, blocking the whole lane completely. I mean, when you start block it half, you can block it to the fullest, I guess.
We're both a bit fed up with Italy already, because it's just difficult, you know.